Hello, dear viewers. Mr. Best here, and today I want to share with you the story of how I stepped into becoming a YouTube sensation and how I found success on this journey. Through the insights I share, you might gain tips to start your own YouTube adventure and achieve success.
And she worked a lot. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? I basically did YouTube videos.
First and foremost, instead of saying I can't do it, I decided to ask myself, why can't I? I left negative thoughts behind and realized my potential. I made mistakes in my early videos, sometimes faced failure, but it never stopped me. Failures were just a part of my learning process.
Year after year after year, it definitely does hit you. But I had more reasons.
What mattered to me was being genuine and authentic. I focused on building a sincere connection with my viewers. I wanted people to love the real me because that was my unique selling point, providing valuable content to my audience and constantly striving to capture their interest became my priority.
I like seeing how excited they get. Nothing is more entertaining than just seeing someone just go from like having a rough day to just going like, what?
Over time, I developed my own unique style. Instead of trying to follow trends, I stood out by focusing on my own passions and talents. This way, my audience distinguished me from other content creators. Effectively utilizing social media was also crucial. Being active on Instagram, Twitter, and aught.
Across your stomach, so it was super painful.
Jimmy's diagnosis of Crohn's was earth-shattering.
Remember, patience and perseverance are key. Success may take time, but never give up. Each step you take will lead you towards becoming a better content creator.
It was a pretty serious situation.
I went from like 180 pounds down to 139. I remember 139 because that was my lowest, which at 6'2" was like a frail little twig. I mean, I barely could get out of bed. I had no energy to do anything. I didn't even want to go to school. And I just hated my life back then. It was really miserable.
He didn't have an ability to hold down anything.
I hope this short story inspires you and helps you write your own YouTube success story. Follow your passions, be original, and don't let anything hold you back. I wish you all the best in your endeavors.
Me being shy and not liking talking and not having much confidence were like such a big obstacle. I'm just kidding. But despite that, I still just did.